twinkling stars above as the steam and shadows thrive. In this industrial dreamscape where the past meets the new, the city's heart beats with the rhythm, so enchanting and true.